Hello everyone, I am Sandeep Pradhan, a PhD student in experimental high energy physics. And we do very often estimate parameter of a model using data, and we report our observation or measurement using something like this. The estimated value of the parameter plus minus uncertainty or the confidence interval. Now I would like to explain how do you interpret this confidence interval. Many cases I have seen, even I was interpreting this in a wrong way. Very often we interpret this in a very commonly we let's take an example. For example, measurement of gravitational constant g, and we report something like 0.9. The estimated value of g is 9.8 plus minus 0.2 meter per second square. This is the 1 sigma confidence interval, and very often we interpret this like 1 sigma confidence interval means the probability that the true value of the parameter is in this fixed interval, that is 9.6 to 1 is 0.68. That is however not true. The actual interpretation of this confidence interval is if we repeat the experiment with a large number of times, and each experiment we have same number of observations, and if we and each experiment we can estimate the value of the parameter g and the interval, and it can fluctuate from interval in experiment to experiment. And the point is the interpretation is in 1 sigma confidence interval means the interval in interval, if we repeat n number of times the experiment, then the interval will include the true value of the parameter g in 0.68 per fraction of experiments. For example, let's say we perform this simple pendulum experiment by many of students. For example, student 1 performed the same experiment with the same number of observations, and the estimated value is 9.78 plus minus this interval. And student 2 performed this same experiment, and student 3, 4, and so on. As you can see, the interval can vary from experiment to experiment, and the actual interpretation of this is the interval is 0.68 fraction of the experiment will report the interval that will contain the true value of the parameter. That's all. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.